Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. Firstly, I will show you how to call it by default and then how to customize it, because we can add this feature to another gesture. So by default you need to use your left earbud. At the back side, at the top, we have touch area, and you need to triple press at the touch area at your, again, left earbud. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, I just called Gemini, but if you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you have something you may call Bixby. Now, how to customize it? You need to open QCY application. And of course your headphones should be connected with your phone and should be turned on. Then the application open for you headphones menu, and I guess I have something with my right earbud, so let me reconnect it. And yeah, okay, we have it. Then go to the settings and the application at the top. And as you can see, it's set to the triple press for the left earbud, but we can set it for the double press for the left and right earbuds and for the single press. So let's say I want to add it for the single press for my right earbud. Need to tap at this line and then select voice assistant. Now let's check it. So my right earbud, single press, and as you can see it also works. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!